Welcome to the Luxx Nova Measurement Guide. Let us show you how to properly take your measurements. You will need measuring tape, long piece of cloth, tight-fitted clothes, and a friend to help you. Make all measurements without a bra and shoes. Take all measurements twice to improve your accuracy. Do not over-tighten the measuring tape. Breathe naturally. Bust. Breathe naturally. Make all measurements without a bra. Keep all measurements horizontally straight. Keep measuring tape loose enough to insert one finger. To get the medium bust measurement, simply measure your torso and bust horizontally at its fullest point. Hips. Keep your feet together. Measure the fullest point of your hips. Take multiple measurements for accuracy. Take the tape measure and bring it around your hips. Measure around your hips, at the fullest part of your bottom. If unsure where the fullest part is, simply take multiple measurements, and record the maximum. Take the piece of cloth, and loosely tie it around the narrowest part of your torso, as demonstrated. Waist. Measure the narrowest part of your torso. Take multiple measurements for accuracy. To measure your waistline, simply measure around the cord you tied earlier on. It should be the narrowest part of your waist, at your natural waistline. Waist to floor. Be barefoot. Ask a friend to help you. Measure from the middle of the waist control ribbon, along either side of your body, to the floor. To make this measurement, measure along either side of your body, to the floor. From the middle waist control ribbon tied earlier. Height. Be barefoot. Stand straight and keep your feet together. Take multiple measurements for accuracy. To measure your height, stand up barefoot straight, with your back against the wall, with your heels touching the wall as well. Place a mark, where the top of your head meets the wall, and measure the distance from that point to the floor.